Hello! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and archive an activity on the KoalaGo teaching platform. You will want to do this for a number of reasons. One of them is it allows the student to keep working in their original playground. This gives the students the ability to easily keep track of the items that they've purchased with their gems. It will allow you to keep a record of the things that you have done with your student. And it allows you to easily keep the slide count to less than 30 slides, allowing the KoalaGo platform to function at its peak performance. All right, let's go. So here I have an activity. Whoops, this is not the one I wanted. I wanted David's Chinese New Year playground. So you'll see right here, I have the activity name, David's Chinese New Year Playground, and this is the activity button. So I will first make a copy of this. I'll select this button, and then I'm going to search the name David. Now, here you'll see David's Chinese New Year Playground. I want to click on this 3-dot button and then select Duplicate. This can take a few minutes. It's important to know that when we archive, we're going to archive the copy. Now, archiving is not an official function of the KoalaGo playground, but their activity system allows you to easily do this in the case that you want to keep a record of everything that you've done with a student. So you'll see now the name of my activity is Copy of David Chinese New Year Playground. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to this Copy of David Chinese New Year Playground. I'm going to click on the 3-dot button and I'm going to rename this. Now I can rename this whatever I want, but my naming convention is going to have me write archive and then the student's initials. I don't want this popping up when I search David's name because I don't want to accidentally change it. So I'm just going to write his initials and then click Save. So now this archive is saved. You can even put a special character here at the front to push this down to the bottom in your list of activities. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the original playground, which is right here, David Chinese New Year Playground. I'm going to click on that. And the reason that I wanted to copy and archive this activity was so I could change the number of slides that I have back down to just one. I could go all the way down to none, or I could leave more than just one, but I only want to leave one. So what I did right there was I clicked on this little window-like button. Now you can see a thumbnails of each one of the slides. I'm going to choose to leave only this slide right here, slide number 5. So I'm going to click Shift, and then I'm going to click on slides 1 through 4, click Delete Multiples, click OK, and then I'm going to push the Shift key down and click slides 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to leave 7 and 8 because they're blank. Click Delete Multiples, press OK. Now I can go right to the only slide that I kept. In that Windows thing where you can see all the thumbnails of the slides, you can change the order of the slides. You can change the background color of the slides. You can duplicate a slide and you can delete slides. So this is one way for you to copy and archive an activity so that your student will keep their original playground. This is important to this student because he's purchased a number of really fun things with his gems. He has that fun dragon and the rabbits there and the lion dance costume, and he has a bridge. So when he deletes these objects, they will go into the image library. They'll go in, or not the image library. They'll go into his inventory in his Chinese New Year tab. So then he will be able to relocate them to another playground or to another place in this playground, and he can easily keep track of them. If he tried to delete them in a playground that is a copy, they would not go back into his inventory because they would be in this original playground. That's why you want to keep the student going in their original playground. It allows them to easily keep track of those items they've purchased with those hard-won gems. All right, I hope you have a great day. Happy teaching!